Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Hope of your good health and fine mood. In our previous offline class, we discussed about various assisted reproductive technologies, art, including test tube baby IVF ET, artificial insemination technique AIT, gamete intrafallopian transfer gift GIFT, intracytoplasmic sperm injection ICSI. Now today's our topic is about fetal disorder detection. Detection of fetal disorders during early pregnancy. How we can detect these fetal disorders? In order to detect fetal disorders during early pregnancy, a number of techniques are available for detecting the disorders. Some of these techniques are as under amniocentesis, chorionic villus sampling, CVS, non-invasive techniques, fetoscopy. Now first we'll talk about amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? Amniocentesis is a fetal sex determination and disorder test based on the chromosomal pattern in the amniotic fluid surrounding the developing embryo. Amniotic fluid contains cells from the skin and other sources. These cells can be used to determine the sex of the fetus, to identify some abnormalities in the number of chromosomes, and to detect certain biochemical or enzymatic abnormalities. If it is established that the fetus is suffering from any incurable congenital defects, mother should get the fetus aborted. It is misused to kill the normal female fetus, which is called female feticide. It is legally banned for the determination of sex to avoid female feticide. This test is performed when a woman is between 14 and 16 weeks of gestation. Up to 1970s, amniocentesis procedures were done blind. Doctors Jens Bang and Ellen Northard from Denmark were the first to report amniocentesis done with the help of an ultrasound in 1972. Now, another fetal disorder detection technique is chorionic villus sampling or CVS. In CVS, the physician inserts a narrow, flexible tube through the mother's vagina into the uterus and withdraws a small amount of fetal tissue that is called chorionic villi from the placenta. Since the cells of chorionic villi are undergoing rapid mitosis, these cells can be used for karyotyping. Speed of CVS, that is chorionic villus sampling, is an advantage over amniocentesis. Another advantage of CVS is that it can be performed early, between the 8th and 10th weeks of pregnancy. CVS is invasive, it carries with it an inherent risk to both fetus and mother. CVS should be done for the pregnant women over the age of 35 due to enhanced risk of Down syndrome. This was about these two techniques. Rest two techniques will be inshallah in our next offline class. Hope this will help you up to some extent.